Chocolate is one of the most beloved foods in the world, but how much do we really know about its history? In this video, we'll uncover 10 fascinating facts about the origins and evolution of chocolate that you probably didn't know. Fact 1. The Mayans and Aztecs believed that chocolate had mystical and spiritual properties. They used chocolate in religious ceremonies and as offerings to the gods. The original chocolate drink was made from roasted cocoa beans, water, and spices. The drink was often served cold and frothy. Chocolate was so highly valued that it was sometimes used as currency. The Aztecs believed that chocolate had aphrodisiac properties. Chocolate remained a luxury item for centuries, only becoming widely available in the 19th century. Fact 2. Cocoa beans were so valuable to the Aztecs that they were often counterfeited. Counterfeit cocoa beans were made from materials such as dirt or beans from other plants. The Aztecs used cocoa beans as a form of currency, trading them for goods and services. Cocoa beans were also used as a tribute to be paid to the Aztec rulers. The value of cocoa beans varied depending on their quality and origin. Cocoa beans were so highly prized that they were often used as dowries in marriage negotiations. The Aztecs believed that cocoa beans were a gift from the gods. Fact 3. The original chocolate drink was made from roasted cocoa beans, water, chili peppers, and other spices. The drink was bitter and spicy, and it was often frothed to create a thick foam on top. The Aztecs believed that chocolate had medicinal properties and used it to treat a variety of ailments. Chocolate was considered a luxury item and was reserved for the wealthy and elite. The addition of sugar and milk to chocolate occurred in Europe in the 16th century. The first chocolate bars were produced in the 19th century. Chocolate became more widely available in the 20th century as production methods improved. Fact 4. Chocolate was first introduced to Europe by the Spanish conquistadors in the 16th century. Chocolate was initially consumed as a drink and was flavored with sugar and spices. Chocolate quickly became popular among European nobility, who enjoyed its rich, complex flavor. The first chocolate factory in Europe was established in Switzerland in 1819. Switzerland has since become a major producer of chocolate, with many famous chocolate brands originating from the country. Chocolate production and consumption have become global phenomena, with chocolate enjoyed in many different forms and flavors around the world. The chocolate industry is now worth billions of dollars worldwide. Fact 5. Chocolate houses became popular in Europe in the 18th century. They were social gathering places where people could drink chocolate and socialize. Chocolate houses were often associated with political and intellectual discussions. Some chocolate houses had secret rooms where people could discuss controversial topics without fear of being overheard. Chocolate houses were popular among both men and women, and they provided a rare opportunity for women to socialize outside of the home. Chocolate houses were eventually eclipsed by coffee houses, which became more popular in the 19th century. The legacy of chocolate houses can still be seen in the many cafes and coffee shops that serve chocolate drinks today. Fact 6. The first chocolate bar was created in 1847 by Joseph Fry, a British chocolatier. The bar was made by mixing cocoa powder with sugar and cocoa butter. The addition of cocoa butter allowed chocolate to be molded into different shapes and sizes. Milk chocolate was invented in Switzerland in the late 19th century. Milk chocolate quickly became popular, especially in the United States. Today, there are many different types of chocolate available, including dark chocolate, white chocolate, and flavored chocolate. Chocolate remains one of the most popular and beloved foods in the world. Fact 7. During World War II, the U.S. government commissioned Hershey's to produce a special chocolate bar for soldiers. The bar, called the Field Ration D, was designed to withstand high temperatures and provide a quick energy boost. Hershey's produced over 3 billion of these bars during the war. The Field Ration D earned Hershey's a reputation as the chocolate bar of democracy. Chocolate has long been associated with comfort and nostalgia, and it was considered a taste of home for many soldiers. Today, chocolate remains a beloved treat around the world, enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds. The history of chocolate is a testament to the enduring appeal of this delicious and versatile food. Fact 8. The Swiss consume more chocolate per capita than any other country in the world. In 2019, the average Swiss person ate 10.8 kilograms of chocolate. Switzerland is also home to some of the world's most famous chocolate brands, including Lindt and Toblerone. Swiss chocolate is known for its high quality and luxurious taste. The Swiss chocolate industry is worth billions of dollars and employs thousands of people. Chocolate production is an important part of Swiss culture and heritage. Switzerland celebrates a National Chocolate Day on September 13th. Fact 9. Some studies have suggested that eating dark chocolate in moderation can have health benefits. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants and flavonoids that have been shown to have positive effects on the body. Eating dark chocolate may reduce the risk of heart disease, lower blood pressure, and improve brain function. However, it is important to consume dark chocolate in moderation, as it is still high in calories and sugar. Dark chocolate should be consumed as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Not all chocolate is created equal, and the health benefits of chocolate depend on the quality and type of chocolate consumed. It is important to choose high-quality dark chocolate with a high cocoa content and minimal added sugar. Fact 10. The world's largest chocolate bar weighed over 5,000 pounds and was made by Thorntons, a British chocolate company, in 2011. The bar measured 13 feet long and 3 feet high and was made from a mix of milk, dark, and white chocolate. The chocolate bar was created to celebrate Thornton's 100th anniversary. The bar was broken into smaller pieces and sold to raise money for charity. The previous record for the world's largest chocolate bar was set in 2007 by the Italian company, Venchi. The world's largest chocolate fountain was created by the Bellagio Hotel in Las Vegas in 2009. The chocolate fountain stood at 27 feet tall and was made from over 2,100 pounds of chocolate. A montage of different types of chocolate, from bars to truffles to hot cocoa, with a voiceover inviting viewers to share their favorite chocolate facts in the comments. So there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about the history of chocolate that you probably didn't know. We hope you enjoyed learning about the sweet secrets of this beloved treat. Don't forget to share your favorite chocolate facts in the comments below, and thanks for watching.